4 people, 2 teams, 26 letters, 1 hour, and a $300 budget.
Well, you can tell by the way I use my walk, I'm a woman's man. No time to talk. Music loud, women want being kicked around since I was born. Never saw you around.
Let's introduce our participants. Hello, what's your name and what do you do?
My name is Taya.
Yeah.
And I just came because I heard food was involved.
Raksmi, hashtag serial Guna.
We have to choose your team members. Who wants to be leader and pick from these options? Anyone wants to be?
Oh, I want to be.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So let me just remove your name. So this is picking your teammate.
Oh, I can see the names through the paper.
Pick one.
Let me see. Maybe Pink is a girl, huh?
Pick.
See this one.
You can reveal Tyler. Oh, shit. So you and I are on a team. Now you'll have to pick your challenges, and if you complete any of these challenges, it's optional. You can or you don't have to, but I prefer if you do, because it's content. So if you complete it, you get
socks are so loose.
Shut up.
What the hell?
So if you complete this, you get to.
It is quite loose, huh?
You get to tick up. You get to tick up any letter.
Stretch, yo.
So pick one, Tyra, since you
Okay,
got drafted.
I'll take this one.
Hey, okay, now you can go to the camera with your teammate and reveal your challenges.
Okay. Let's see what we got here.
Should we show them?
Oh, we got that kind of.
We'll show them, yeah. That is too. Why they gave the short people this?
Why?
Touch something that is 2 meters.
Ah!
Okay, so this is our challenges.
Come up with a team name. Best team name wins the challenge. Get a high five from 3 people. Touch something that is 2
2
meters.
meters.
In the
Oh,
air.
you're gonna have a problem.
Yeah, we're gonna struggle with that.
Find Ryan Skyline from Anu together.
Okay,
Check it.
so
Yeah.
Now it's our turn.
Can I have a high five?
No, we don't count. We don't count.
how are we gonna know what's 2 meters?
Yeah.
It's just taller than yours.
Time for our challenges. Let's see what we got. So, 4 challenges. Buy a food item of your choice for someone in need. Easy. Come up with a team name. Best team name wins the challenge. That's easy. Down a fizzy drink. That's not easy. And tell the camera 10 car brands in 30 seconds. We can do that.
Okay, so the rules are: one person of each team must eat the entire item before they can move on to the next item. So if you buy an apple, you have to eat the entire apple, then buy your banana. Okay, like that.
How you know we're gonna buy a banana?
It's just an example. You can only buy 3 brands maximum.
3 brands.
Watch me.
So if you're struggling for D, like you can't think of anything, you can buy dairy milk chocolate.
I've really been struggling for DA.
So you know your challenges. Those challenges count. You can take out the letter if you complete it. And the loser is a forfeit. I'm not going to reveal the forfeit now.
For TV, we can buy a TV.
I'm not going to reveal the forfeit now. But yeah, you guys can start.
We found something that's 2 meters. So we're gonna play rock, paper, scissors. I get to choose. Yeah, okay, you decide. Yeah. You doing a run-up? Yeah, do a run-up.
So the first challenge is come up with a team name. What's our team name? Short Kings.
Yeah, we're gonna go with that. Yeah.
Our team name is Short Kings. No, something. You think they'll get up?
We're gonna go with Koala Boys. I want to go with that.
If I don't know why I'm whispering the mic.
Right side, yeah. What? Say what you want.
No. Team name. Short Kings is a bit basic.
Yeah.
5 foot warriors. We're not 5 foot.
Yeah. We
To clarify, we're not 5
yeah,
foot.
we're not.
But
Yeah.
yeah, 5 foot warriors.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's our team.
Yeah.
Okay, the next thing,
We did the second one.
get a high five
Oh,
from 3. Oh, we completed the touch something that is 2 meters. Get a high five from 3 people.
So you getting 2?
No,
I'm getting 1 since I jumped.
I won rock paper scissors.
No. I jumped. So you were doing 2. I'm doing 1 person. Right.
What if they don't want to be on camera and they see us filming and they beat us up?
We run. we just run.
Okay. But I know Brian Skyline. I know where we can find it. Let's
Who
just
is
go
that?
there first. Fast and Furious,
Oh,
Paul Walker.
I've never seen any. I'm serious. I've never seen any Fast and Furious.
Don't lie.
I swear. I haven't seen any.
Okay, anyway, let's go
Okay,
to checkers.
Okay.
So, we
Yeah.
need to buy things for each letter of the alphabet. So, we
Okay.
did 2 challenges.
So we can take off 2.
We can take out 2 things.
What you want
Do you want to take them out now, or if like we're struggling, we can use it?
when we're struggling?
Yeah, but A, what can I for A?
Let's go get some apples.
Apples.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah.
Do you know anything else for an A?
Avocado.
How are we gonna,
Anal beads.
have you tried that?
No.
I'll just check you. Just want to clarify.
You know that meme? An avocado. Thank you.
No.
The kid got an avocado for Christmas.
Oh.
He was acting actually that meme.
I'd probably do that if I have children.
You know what's
I'll
the
be like,
illness?
here's the avocado. Yeah.
We're going to Checkers
Yeah.
to try and get an avocado or an apple. Dark chocolate chips.
You want this?
What's that? Does it count as cookies?
Yeah. But
can buy that
we can
for
come back.
seeds.
We can come back.
Shut up.
We can come back. You got to finish the whole box.
Oh yeah, I forgot about
That's the
that.
thing. We just get small stuff. Oh,
It was my teammate.
I'm here.
Found an apple. We take the biggest or the smallest?
Find small ones. Find small apples.
Can we share it?
You want to share an apple?
Yeah.
Now that's a bit gay.
What's wrong with that?
Oh, okay.
What's
no.
wrong with that?
My bad.
Huh?
I'm not against any gay people.
You want a green apple? Well, this is
I like
yellow.
the green.
Yeah, I also like green.
Yeah.
But it's yellow.
This
Will
one
it be
seems
sour?
This one seems nicer.
I don't like
Why
the
is
brown
this one
thing on it.
shaped-
Look at this. This
Yeah.
looks like a bump.
What's here? Why is this one like shaped like this at the end? It's so weird. Like this is not a normal apple shape. Anyway, any small ones?
Is this an apple?
I don't
This
know.
look like a potato.
This one seems
Yeah,
right.
that's fine.
This one
Yeah.
seems right. Yeah.
Okay, eat it now.
Let's go pay for it. No, but can you do
Let's not make it boring.
that? Okay.
For B,
Yeah,
what
let's
else you
try.
can think of?
Or
A
for
bat,
A, let's
a
find
ball.
something else because this apple is not looking. It's not looking good. We changed this apple. It's not looking right.
What you mean?
I don't like the top being brown.
You chose the apple.
I didn't know when I saw it.
Yeah, change the apple.
Okay.
What about this one?
Like, see, these ones
Why
are
does it
nice.
look like a pear?
Yeah, these ones are nice, but
Yeah.
it's in the thing. Okay, what else is there for A?
Asparagus. So, but then B has to be a banana.
Yeah. Then
What
let's
else
make
can I
A
think
something
about?
exciting.
Like what? Something we're gonna eat.
I know. Okay, no, I don't know. I don't have any food.
Yeah, I can't. Read the signs. Tomato, apple.
Let's go check the deli.
Okay.
Maybe there's something there.
For C, we can. Go ahead.
I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to get a high five.
A what?
Yeah. How's it, my brother? Good, good. So we're shooting a video, and I wanted to know: do you know any foods with the starting with the letter A? Foods. Yeah, food starting with letter A. Okay.
Did you get it?
Thanks for the
Is he still talking?
thanks for the try. Yeah.
Now I have to get
How
two.
about one? Avocado oil. Then drink some avocado oil. That thing is gone now. It's gone.
Oops. Yeah. Hey, Himalaya salt. I need that
Why?
for like the house.
You don't use normal salt.
Yeah, but that's so boring.
What's the difference?
I don't know. That's why I wanna try it.
Okay, let's see.
Alcohol.
No, you can't. Oh, see,
No,
apple
Muslim.
crumble.
Where apple from?
There's the.
You're gonna eat that?
It's so big, but
That thing don't look nice. Hey, look at the peppermint tart. Oh. Ada. I know what I want for C. I want
what's
this.
this? Okay, yeah, that's nice.
Yeah. What about apple juice?
Oh, smart.
Apple juice, yeah.
Get a small one.
Oh, yes. Apple. Yeah.
Okay, we got A.
We got C.
So,
B. Banana
Okay.
juice. We got three things to take from here.
yeah, we're getting a banana.
You know, you can also get a beetroot. Really?
Like just a raw beetroot.
Yeah.
Just bite the raw
Beetroot
beetroot.
is raw. Like, beetroot is raw.
But usually it's like pickle.
No, I'm like joking around. Man.
Okay.
Hey,
So anyway, which one you want?
I'm not eating it. You eat.
Okay, I'll go this one. But
Put it in a packet.
Yeah.
Give Algo get a high five.
yeah. Say thank you so much for your service to humanity.
We got our food with the A.
DC.
Yeah. Apple juice, banana, and a giant cookie.
A double chocolate cookie.
It just brings you
I'm gonna
face.
spray it in my face. Chug it. We like to drink with China. First time is once. No, but make you laugh. Okay. We like to drink with China. First time is a fan. And when we drink with China, it gets down in 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Yay!
Okay, that's apple juice one. Banana.
Banana.
Okay. Oh. Those were some fresh apples, I must say. Okay. Now this is gonna be like so weird.
Chug the banana.
Okay. Just gotta watch me eat this.
But it tastes like banana.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Now I'm gonna eat my double chong chocolate cookie and we'll rate it. That gets 3 big booms. Boom, boom, boom.
It looks dry.
It's quite dry.
Meanwhile,
We just went to Gorima's now and we got almonds for 15.
Ball.
So we got A and B.
So I said you don't have to do the whole packet because that's a lot. Same here. I'm also going to do a few on it.
How is it?
We had lunch. We're gonna get our D.
Dark chocolate. So we got this Lindt dark chocolate here.
And we're gonna share it.
How you want to share Lindt?
I put it in my mouth, you put it in your mouth, and we bite it.
Okay, you go first.
No,
No, it's-
eat it. You can eat it.
Okay.
Why is it so oily?
and then it's like the white stuff. Why is there like white stuff?
What white stuff?
I don't know what is like white stuff on the chocolate. I don't know.
They did bust in your mouth. No, you know it like
I know-
busts
I
and
know
like
what you mean, yeah.
oozy stuff comes
It was
out.
good.
One of our challenges was tell the camera 10 car brands of 30 seconds.
Okay.
Audi, BMW, Citroen,
Bugatti,
Mercedes,
Haval,
Hyundai.
Ford, Porsche. Done.
Done. 15 seconds, boy. We'll see which got cold. And it's also part of our challenge where you
How the down.
oppositely.
Oh God. You don't have to do it fast.
D, we got dark chocolate. Now we're gonna do E and F together. What are we getting for E? You know,
Yeah.
eclair. And
Why
F,
did we get those eclair sweets?
there's eclair.
You know the
That's like
small
toffee
one.
things.
Yes,
Yeah, I like those.
Yeah.
And then F, what do we say? Fish.
Ah.
Femboys. What? What?
Where did that come out?
Let's go to baby. F.
We can use one of our. We can use
Finger
one of
your
our
bum.
things. What?
Yeah.
We can use one of our things.
Yeah.
Because we got a.
Fish oil.
Let's go to the sweet section. Sweet section will be the set.
What do we need with F?
Ah.
Any energy drink start with F? Any drink? Fanta.
Fanta. Yes. Get a
we'll get
Fanta.
Where's sweet? We were in Checkers. We could have found Paul Walker's Skyline. You don't remind me. Useless teammate.
I never watched Fast and Furious.
There are no sweets here. Oh!
Nuts. Now, does this make sense, right? They named this.
Nuts. But it's chips and toys.
Energy drink? Like
Energy.
that's an E.
Energy.
Energy, yeah.
Energy.
Energy. And then F Fanta. So we
Yeah.
both have something.
Yeah.
Alright. Whoa, we can't E, F, G. We can't get G from here too.
Okay, what we are
G, gummy bears, gummy worms.
Yeah.
Take a Fanta.
Okay.
Can I get a Fanta Light, Rev? You know that?
Yeah.
Who is that?
What's his name?
Castillo.
Castillo. What a G.
Can I get a Fanta? And then you saw the one, she's talking about hyper masculinity.
What is that? Shout out
To my LGBTQ friend.
PS5.
We got E, F, G. You wanna go first? I'll go first. This is the new zero sugar energy drink. It's strawberry and cucumber. It's not nice. Come on, you have to finish it. You have to finish the challenge. You know when you leave water in a bottle for too long in the car, it tastes like old water in a bottle, like it got mossy. I can get that smell, like that cucumber smell. Oh, really getting my throat. I have to finish half. Okay, add off. Have a Fanta. Finish off. Yeah, come on.
D, E, F.
E, F now. Checkers. Because we did A, B, and C already.
Yeah.
So for E, we got these things.
We're not gonna eat these. 6.
Shit.
Let's get this.
What's that?
I think it's enough.
Yeah, I can eat this.
Yeah.
F.
Hey.
No, D. Donut.
Yeah. Donut. Let's get this.
Let's get a donut. Look at the donuts, cameraman. Yeah, plain.
Let's get this one.
Yeah, they also got the jam ones. You're gonna eat that.
Yeah, I want this one.
But I take that.
It's also 6.
Yeah, I take that. Is that right?
I don't know. It doesn't feel nice.
Right, so we're gonna bank our first brand. July! Sponsor me. Okay, let's go pay now. We're done.
That's not a donut. That's an eclair.
Yeah, it's chocolate.
No.
Oh, also, we have a team name. What is it? The big Bunda Bandits.
I think we won.
Eclair. Eclair. And is it eggy? We have the one. Done.
We got our half moons. You can take one first.
Okay. Oh, it's still a bit warm.
Yeah, it's in an incubator.
Okay. It tastes nice.
Yeah. It reminds me of a pizza pie.
It's like crunchy on the outside, but it's good.
And it is done.
It's our last 10 minutes, so we're just gonna go into this game.
Did we make it past halfway? We did A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H.
I, J.
Shit.
I, J.
We're not past halfway. We did
Yeah.
13 for half. We'll probably end with like what, 12.
I
We're
think
getting
so.
I and J from this game.
Yeah. Is your tongue okay?
Huh? What? Let's go.
Okay, come on.
Hey, Tyrell, I found K.
What is that?
Kombucha.
Oh, nice.
You ever had?
No,
I don't like it.
I'll try it.
Oh, okay. You can try.
Why is it bad?
Yeah, I thought it was quite bad.
Okay, let's see.
Not that. There's kombucha, yeah. What's that?
We'll go
Cool
with
and-
cranberry.
Right.
First, try cranberry.
Here's jelly now.
Get a small one.
This is the smallest. No?
Take this.
Jelly babies. Yeah. Okay. Ice cream. I don't see any freezers, huh? What else is there? Instant noodles. That's I.
How are we gonna eat this instant noodles?
I'll eat it.
You'll eat it.
Yeah, I'll eat it.
Take it then.
Alright. Okay, so we got I, J, and K.
Okay. Got some kombucha.
What the hell?
What? Show them. What noodles? is-
Rice noodles.
Wait, show them how it looks. You can do it. I believe in you.
Smells nice. First time I'm trying rice. I actually want to like cook this and
It
eat
seems like
it
something
now,
nice
yeah.
to cook, huh? They got the oil as well, a flavoring oil. Is it good?
No. Tastes like plastic.
You want to put the flavoring oil?
No. It tastes like rice.
I'm gonna try this now.
Who good for?
Okay. We have some jelly babies. Quite good. I just want one. Oh, I got three. Where is that? Now, try this.
What?
Tastes a bit weird.
Are we smelling? Ugh! What the? It smells like vinegar.
I'm gonna have one more sip. Decent! Oi!
Gonna taste my noodle. Let's go
Taste
back.
some of this. I still got jelly babies here.
I didn't buy it from this side.
I'm just taking one.
No, bite it. Bite it.
No, I don't want a whole lot.
Bite it.
I don't want to get a whole lot.
No, I'm not drinking this. That smell is putting me
I
off.
took one. You have to take a sip now. That aftertaste gets you.
It doesn't taste like how it smells.
But the aftertaste is a bad
Okay,
part.
it's not as bad as it smells, but it's not tasty.
Yeah.
All the noodles.
Try. You want some of these? What you drop?
I think you drop noodles. A step further.
Yeah, take it. Take the whole thing. Done.
This.
Yeah, you can take that. You can take that, right?
Okay.
8. So for 8, we found high protein milk and I'm drinking it. Who found it? Me. We scrapped the high protein milk and took high chew. Let's go pay now.
So I'm eating the gummies. Quite hard.
You don't have to eat the whole thing.
Chewy, fruity candy.
So what we have?
Please
Ice
put
cream.
A meal. Yeah. Ice cream and Jade. We're getting this for our
Big greens for our
challenge.
guy. Okay, let's go.
Where's the eye?
Instant coffee. I'll drink this, yeah?
I don't think that's safe. What's this thing?
Ice coffee.
Isofit.
We got our isofit
Well, I and Jade.
juice. Honestly, I'll take that 2 liter.
What happened? What happened with the juice?
So you can't buy singular, you have to buy a pack.
Yummy. Yay.
Yay, she got 1 liter juice. And I got ice coffee.
I don't respond.
No, it's okay.
It's Isofit.
Quite tasty. So you done?
I downed the whole thing.
And then in the packet, we got our challenge done. We bought a can of beans for our guy. But that's not the only thing we're gonna do. We're gonna actually buy more stuff. But we're not gonna show that because that's like, it's not nice. The 1 hour is up. Team 1, how far have you gone? You have to say the
We
letter
did
and what you did.
A. What we got for A?
We got apple juice.
We got
for A,
apple juice for A. For B,
a banana.
for C, cookie. I have the cookie.
Oh yeah, the giant cookie.
D.
What did we get for
What did we have for D?
What did we have for
Dark chocolate.
Oh yes, the Lindt. The
Yes.
Lindt dark chocolate.
E. Energade.
Okay, yeah.
F.
It was
Fanta.
G was a ginger beer.
H.
Why do we have
What did
this
we have for
memory
H?
loss problem? I know for I we had instant noodles. J we had jelly babies. K I had
Kombucha.
yeah.
Half moon.
Hey, and the half food was so
So
good.
A,
too.
B, C,
Yeah.
D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K.
K.
We did 11.
That's good. And how many challenges did you have today?
I
Touched the 2
2
meter. We got the 3 high five.
Did you get the
Yeah. Yeah.
We'll watch that back in the video.
Don't try to play the fool with me, Nikesh.
Okay, we got 3 high
Yeah,
five.
that's-
And team name?
No,
Our team name?
we won the team name.
Our team name 5 Foot Warriors.
That's
No.
a shit team.
Ours.
But that doesn't count until we say ours. Okay, so what did we do? You have to say it because I can't remember.
Oh no. For A, what did we get?
Almond.
Okay.
I had Bor,
Four, yeah.
Coke,
Coke.
C,
D,
Donut,
donut.
Easter egg. We had that egg thingy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, we had the Future Life.
Future Life Bar. G.
What did we have for G? Gummies? No.
Yes, gummies. The gum. Wine gum.
Oh yeah,
Wine
the-
gum, yeah.
Gum. H was the high chew.
Imagine for G, we'll add wine gums.
It was gummies.
yeah, that
Gummies,
sounds like
man,
a,
gummies.
No, it was gummies.
that sounds like a. You should strike that out.
No.
Yes, gummies.
Anyway, H was high chew.
Yeah.
I.
Why are you
I
looking at me?
I still
Isofit.
drink.
Isofit, and then J was the juice. Yeah.
So,
So we went.
Wait, let us finish.
We got 10.
so we won!
Oh, wait.
No.
Our challenges. We did. Where's our challenges?
The challenges don't matter if we got more letters.
Yeah.
No, it
Yes.
does count because it adds towards what you can skip. That was the rule.
Yes.
So we bought something for someone.
Yeah.
We did the 10 car brands.
Uh-huh.
The Coke we didn't complete.
So we both got
The
two.
team name.
We
Our
won
team
the
name was
team
Bunda
name.
Bandits. And that's honestly better.
It was Big Bunda
It's
Bandit.
not
so-
better.
It is
Okay,
It's literally not
who
better.
has a bigger bunda? Because Dave is big. Who is actually 5 feet tall?
Yes.
Us.
No, I think we
No.
won.
No.
We won.
We won.
You're not 5 foot,
Wait,
Tyler. You're not.
even if.
Okay, but you're not known for having a big bum.
Yeah,
We're known for
yeah,
being short.
Exactly.
But that
yeah.
doesn't
our
matter.
name
It's the
makes
team-
more sense.
It's the team name that counts.
Okay, our team name are lesbian kisses. That's better.
No.
Because it sounds
It sounds
stupider.
nice.
That's what you do it.
It's not true, but it sounds nice.
Yeah, that's what you all did.
Yeah.
It might be true, but it's it's not being counted because the challenge is over. So we did 13. You all did 11.
13.
Okay, but then what you not
got
adding
two
our
challenges.
challenges?
Oh shit! So it's a tie.
Oh,
Since it's a tie, we're gonna play a game of pool to decide who does the forfeit. That is true. That is.
Nice. So you solid.
No, I can
Until
still
you hit-
choose.
Oh.
I can still choose. With stripes.
Vibes.
Oh, shit.
Forfeit time.
These fine gentlemen lost. The forfeit is one of you has to run in the mall while the other one chases and screams thief. If anyone asks why, you say he stole my heart.
What the hell is that? Oh my.
This is South Africa. We'll just get shot. We'll just get shot.
Rod is running to security guard and I'm screaming and then he just shoots you.
Thief! 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 Guys, my heart.